Hello dost, this is Lalit Chande signing from Rajkot. Welcome all of you in the Win Tune in program. Today, my dear friends, I am going to give you the guidance about public speaking. दोस्तों आज के ज़माने में बोले बगैर चलेगा नहीं. अगर आप टीचर है, प्रोफेसर है, बिजनेसमैन है, एंटरप्रेन्योर है, या तो आप सेल्समैन का काम कर रहे हैं, या तो आप इंश्योरेंस एजेंट है, या तो स्टूडेंट है, आपको बोलना पड़ेगा दोस्तों. और बोलने में भी आज का जो वक्त है वो पेंडेमिक के टाइम से पूरी दुनिया बदल गई है दोस्तों. आज आपका सोशल मीडिया में प्रेजेंस होना भी बहुत जरूरी है. तो दोस्तों पब्लिक स्पीकिंग मतलब कि आपको लोगों के साथ बात करना पड़ेगा. यू हैव टू स्पीक टू द पीपल, वेदर यू स्पीक वन टू वन, वेदर यू स्पीक वन टू फ्यू और यू स्पीक वन टू मैनी. जैसे कि मैं मान लो कि मेरे सामने 10-15 लोगों की एक मीटिंग कंडक्ट कर रहा हूं, तो ये वन टू फ्यू है दोस्तों. और 4-5-10 हजार लोगों का बड़ा ऑडियंस है, तो ये मेरे लिए वन टू मैनी है, ये बड़ा ऑडियंस है. दोस्तों एक मीथ भी है. लॉट ऑफ पीपल दे मिसअंडरस्टूड दैट पब्लिक स्पीकिंग इज दैट यू हैव टू स्पीक टू थाउजेंड्स ऑफ पीपल. इट इज नॉट लाइक दैट माय डियर फ्रेंड्स. If you speak to one, it is also public speaking. Public speaking, it means you have to speak effectively and impactfully so that you create the impact and you make other people understand so that you can take the decisions in your favor. So my dear friends, public speaking is very important skill. And in public speaking, my dear friends, along with that, you have to speak how to deliver a talk, how to talk to the people, how to communicate in English language, because today is the world where the English language is spoken by many people, thousands of people. They communicate in English language. That's the reasons why we have to respect English language also. So my dear friends, 3 important things you have to take care while communicating to the people or in the sense of a public speaking. First, preparation stage. It means before speaking one to one, one to few or one to many, it's very important that you have to prepare your speech. It means you have to craft the speech in your mind. What to speak, how to speak, when to speak, how much to speak, and where to speak. So all these questions you have to ask, my dear friends, and you have to organize the thoughts, especially what you want to deliver to the people. It's very important, my dear friends. So before speaking, you have to spend valuable time into the preparation. That's very important stage, my dear friends. And it is but obvious when you want to give a long talk, maybe the talk of maybe 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hours, maybe the full day workshop, then you don't need much preparation, my dear friends. But if you want to speak in a very lesser time, maybe in 3 minutes or 4 minutes, 5 minutes, you prepare a video or an audio, then you have to prepare a lot, my dear friends. And today it is the time where you have to prepare smaller talk, because people, they don't have much time to spend with you. So first stage, that is preparation stage. After the preparation, second very important stage, that is to delivery stage. During the delivery, my dear friends, it's very important to take care about 3 important aspects at the time of delivering the talk to the people. One of the very important, my dear friends, point, that to start the talk. When you start the talk, you can use the confidence, you can use the eye contact to your audience at the same time while starting your talk. It should be very interesting way of commencing the talk, because my dear friends, the first impression what you are creating to the audience is very important. And today you see a lot of people, they consider that first impression is the last impression, and many a time people are not fortunate to take the opportunity to get the second chance. So when you start your talk, you can start the talk with confidence, eye contact to the people. Your commencement of the talk with the joke, with the detail, with the quotations, or with a fantastic smile, with the confidence, my dear friends. So starting your talk is very important. Second, you see, when you deliver the talk, it's very important for you to see that what the message exactly you want to communicate to the people. It's very important that what message, because you see, message is the main purpose. For that purpose you are talking to the audience or you are talking to the people. So message is very, very, very important. Another things, my dear friends, when you talk to the people, you have to sum up. You see, ending portion is also very important. It's just like in film also, no? So when we sum up, we should recall certain points so that the audience or the people, they can remember. So my dear friends, this second aspect, that's a delivery of the message. And third, very important, that is feedback. After completing the talk, my dear friends, learning is a lifelong process. Once you have delivered the talk, you have to take the feedback from the people. From the audience, you have to select few people, and you have to take the very honest feedback and tell the people that give me honest feedback. You see, whether you speak on to the audio or video or one-to-one or to the bigger audience, you have to take feedback. And even you listen your talk so many times and you note down the points where you were not comfortable, what the improvements are needed. So you do this all preparation, my dear friends, and you prepare notes also, so that in the next talk you will find the improvement. My dear friends, it's very important quotations were spoken that nobody is perfect on this planet. Even great speakers were bad speakers once initial stage. My dear friends, we had the example of Sachin Tendulkar. He was the master blaster in the cricket, but initially he was not excellent speaker. But you can see his farewell speech when he got retired from the cricket. He gave excellent speech at the time of retirement. Abdul Kalam, Mahatma Gandhi, and even Narendra Modi, my dear friends, many examples are there that initially no one is perfect. So my dear friends, my humble request to all of you, that hard work and practice. Again, remember, hard work and practice, these two things are very important to improve these all three areas. One, before the speech, during the speech, and last, that you don't forget to take the feedback from the people. So my dear friends, if you are going to take care about this all aspects, I'm sure you will definitely improve your speech, your public speaking. And I also request all of you to start practicing to give the speech in English language. My all the best wishes to you all. Take care. This is Lalit Chande signing out from Rajkot Win++ Academy. Thank you very much. Have a nice time.